Hello students, so today we are going to discuss a topic. The name of the topic is prepositions. Okay, so first of all, this word preposition is made by two different words, pre plus position. So it is used to describe a position basically from English, and I am going to explain this topic to you from your grammar portion. Preposition. So first of all, the definition of preposition is prepositions are words that shows us the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in the sentence. Prepositions are words used to show a relation between the noun and pronoun with the other words of the sentence. Okay, so this is the definition. Now the kinds of preposition. Now we are going towards the kinds. What are the types of a preposition? तो preposition कौन से वर्ड होते हैं, जैसे कि in, on, at, और you can say down, near, over, behind, beside, ahead, all these words जो किसी तरह की preposition को बताते हैं, वो सब words. ठीक है, जैसे कि सबसे पहले मैं आ जाता हूँ पोजिशन preposition of place के ऊपर. तो वो words जो place से related information देते हैं, जैसे कि below, under, over, beside, डाउन, नियर, ये सब क्या होते हैं? preposition of place होते हैं. क्लियर? जैसे कि मैं एक सेंटेंस बोलता हूँ, देयर इज अ रेस्टोरेंट नियर मी. मेरे पास में, मेरे घर के पास में एक रेस्टोरेंट है. सो दिस नियर वर्ड इज अ preposition of place. इट इज टेलिंग अस अबाउट अ प्लेस. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन, preposition of time. सो वो वर्ड्स जो टाइम से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं वो preposition of time कहलाते हैं, जैसे कि ऑन, इन, एट, टिल, ड्यूरिंग, बिफोर, एक्सेट्रा. All these words are preposition of time. So the bus is on time. तो ये क्या हो गया? On यहाँ पर क्या है? preposition of time है. तो बस टाइम पे है, ये बात बताने वाला preposition. ठीक है, टाइम से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है. Now the next one, preposition of direction. तो preposition of direction क्या होता है? जो किसी चीज के डायरेक्शन को बता रहा है, like towards, through, into, over, etc. ये सब वर्ड्स क्या कहलाते हैं? All these words are called preposition of direction. क्लियर? जैसे मैं एक सेंटेंस बोलता हूँ, he is coming towards me. तो वो मेरी तरफ आ रहा है. So that word towards is a preposition of direction. Okay? preposition of direction है. ठीक है, तो हमने अभी तक देखा कि प्लेस को बताने वाले, टाइम को बताने वाले या डायरेक्शन को बताने वाले जो हैं, इन सभी सेंटेंसेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? preposition of place और टाइम और डायरेक्शन बोलते हैं. क्लियर? इसके बाद आ जाते हैं, एक होता है preposition of purpose. पर्पस को बताने वाले preposition, जैसे कि मैं बोलूं such as, for, from, by, all these are used. If they are used to show a purpose, then these are called preposition of purpose. For example, he can succeed with hard work. So with here is a preposition of purpose, that he can only succeed if hard work is there. Okay, so such words are called preposition of purpose. So these are all the types of prepositions, and now we can solve a few and phenomena related with the chapter. Like there are so many prepositions like with, in and within. Okay, there is a word in and there is a word within. So what is the difference? Let's see. I will come back from my tour in a month. So it shows near about a month. In का मतलब है near about a month. And let's see, I will come back from my tour within a month. So it is before a specific period, है ना? In less than a month. तो दोनों में in और within में ये फर्क होता है. Within that particular time, उससे पहले. ठीक है? In या into. Into हम बोलते हैं जब हम एक intermediate, I'm in the class, he is going into the class. तो वो क्लास के अंदर जा रहा है. He is not inside or outside, he is going inside. Okay, so वो हो गया intermediate state. और in होता है अंदर. On और upon. Like we do not go to office on Sundays. ठीक है? और my birthday falls on 20th of September. तो on that particular time, on that particular day. ठीक है? Now let's see. Upon is used when we are showing something is in motion. Okay? A thief jumped upon the roof. Upon. So here it is showing motion. Okay? And on when we don't want to show any kind of motion. So then by, before, for, after, in, since, for, from, to, till, until, during, above, over, under, below, between. Between is used when you are between two things. Among is used when we are among more than two things when you are between. Okay, so वो among होता है. by, with, all these, near, beside and besides, all these are prepositions used according to the situation. Okay. Now let's see a few questions. So the first one is words that tell us about the location, direction and time of occurrence and the relationship between the two objects in the sentence are called prepositions. So the correct answer is option number 4, questions, conjunctions, interjections or prepositions, prepositions. Now the next one, there is no argument dash father and son. So with, among, between or within. So between father and son, because we are talking about only two people. Which of the following preposition denotes at a very short distance? Near, beside, besides or by. So near. Short distance matlab near. What would you like to do dash this Friday? On, at, in या for. So on. Correct answer is on. Okay. So with this we have completed a few questions and the explanation portion of the topic prepositions. In the next class or in the next video we will go through any other topic. Till then read your book, go through the questions and watch this video, then you will be able to understand it. Thank you.